the value doesn't actually stop there. Always get basic points on your all your transactions. So
For instance, I used my MR points to book a luxurious stay at a Westin Rishikesh. It's amazing. And let's not forget the premium perks that you get along with this card. If you're really serious about optimizing your spends and lifestyle perk, this card should definitely be on your radar. Hey, hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Raw and Real Finance. I'm Rushang, joined by my co-host Abhishek. Hey Abhishek, how it's going?
hi Rishank, I am doing great, and I am really excited today for our today's episode and where we are going to talk about one of the most rewarding cards in the premium category, which doesn't cost that much.
Exactly. Today's card is a darling for premium users, offering incredible rewards, competitive fees, and solid benefits. If you are really serious about optimizing your spends and lifestyle perk, this card should definitely be on your radar. Let's introduce the American Express Platinum Travel Card. This card has been my go to card for years, and trust me, it's worth every swipe.
Amex has always been a trailblazer in the credit card space. I feel that every serious credit card enthusiast should actually have at least one Amex credit card in their portfolio. But Rushank, what makes this card so special?
Great question. The Amex Platinum Travel Card is a standout, especially if you have annual spends hovering around 4 lakhs or more. Here's why. First, let's talk about the milestone benefit. When you hit 4 lakhs in spends, you earn 40,000 rewards points. Plus, additionally, you get 10,000 Taj vouchers, which is perfect for your staycation, dining, or relaxing spa experience.
To add to what Rushank said, the value doesn't actually stop there. You always get basic points on your all your transactions. So if you get 2 points for 100 rupees at 4 lakhs, you get almost 8,000 points, which actually add on to your milestone reward as well. So the ROI almost shoots up to 12%, even if you don't do any of their promotions, which run around almost every Diwali or Republic Day or Independence Day.
So, how are membership reward points valued, and what are the best way to redeem them? I think membership reward points are incredibly versatile. Their value depends on how you use them. Partner transfer. If you transfer these points to Amex travel partners like Marriott Bonway or Hilton Honors, you can get a value of around 60 paisa per MR point. For instance, I used my MR points to book a luxurious stay at a Westin Rishikesh. Just to tell you all my viewers, we actually redeem 2 rupee per MR point on my stay at Westin Rishikesh. So 60 is a base kind of a value you can generate. However, it can go upward to 2 or 3 rupees as well. Also, we are showing 3 properties across world where we can redeem more than 1 rupee value. If you prefer cash rather than redeeming your points, you can redeem points as a statement credit, but here each point is worth only 25 paisa. So if you are strategic, you can easily maximize your rewards and get 54,000 worth of value on 4 lakh spend when you factor in points and vouchers.
Exactly. And let me share two more strategies with you, which I personally use. So there's something called Amex Reward Multiplier, which is again hosted by Gifter. So you can actually use this platform to get accelerated MR points on platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, and there are multiple e-commerce sites where you can actually use them. And I usually buy 10,000 rupees of Amazon Pay balance vouchers for myself, which I use. And this only adds all the MR points onto my already existing tally. And therefore, it boosts my reward rate by 2 to 3%. And obviously, then if you have some high value spends like travel booking, dining, lifestyle, luxury shopping, etc., or you have any international shopping, I think that's where you can actually boost your point balances significantly by using the offers that Amex actually runs on time to time.
It's amazing. And let's not forget the premium perks that you get along with this card. Lounge access is a big one for the frequent travelers, right?
Yeah, you get 8 travel domestic lounges per quarter. So basically, one card covers one person's a single trip every quarter, and you get complimentary priority pass, which you can use for lounges globally. And then obviously, if you are traveling by car, you can refuel your car at the HPCL outlets where you don't get any fuel surcharge on any spends between rupees 500 to 25,000. So, but these are small perks. But yes, the key benefit is the membership reward point that you accrue over your 4 lakh rupees spent. So let's recap. For an annual spend of rupees 4 lakh rupees, you're getting 10,000 rupees as Taj vouchers, 48,000 as a membership reward points on a base case, and any accelerators or any gifter multipliers or the membership reward multipliers that you do, you get more points. So that almost creates of 12 to 15% kind of an ROI on a premium card, which does not cost a premium. So what's the final verdict, Rushank?
My verdict, it's crystal clear. The Amex Platinum Travel Card is a must have if you want to combine premium benefit with high value rewards while keeping fees reasonable. It's an all rounder card that works for frequent travelers, luxury seekers, and even day to day users.
Love it. So listeners, if you haven't added this card as yet to your wallet, then I think you should take this opportunity to get this card as soon as possible and maximize your returns in the credit card game.
To know how I spent 12 lakh rupees over 3 years to actually gain a holiday worth 15 lakh rupees, I used my Amex Platinum travel card to earn 50,000 reward points on every 4 lakh rupees I've spent in 3 years during COVID, and I accumulated that to my Marriott reward point as Marriott Bonvoy points. I used 150,000 Marriott Bonvoy points to actually take this holiday at Jeshme in Turkey for 5 nights in the presidential suite, which actually cost 15 lakh rupees for the 5-day vacation. This includes breakfast and lounge access for a family of 4, and the entire suite was fully paid.
Hi Abhishek, I am at Taj Bakal. I am checking out today. I'll be using Taj voucher which we receive on Amex Platinum Travel Card on achieving 4 lakh spends. The 10k voucher will help me to reduce my spends on my trip. I really want to thank Taj and Amex with coming with such offer for the credit card users and helping reduce their overall spends. So thank you Taj and Amex.
Thanks for listening, everyone. See you in the next episode of Raw and Real Finance. Until then, happy swiping and happy saving.